to the Mix Lovelies and Friends, and on the mix today is Tina. And Tina came out with this skit on Miss D. So go ahead, guys, and go catch the video. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And for all my lovelies out there celebrating their beautiful birthdays today, happy birthday. I wish you love, joy, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this your year. And for all my other lovelies, my supporters, my friends, my followers, and whoever you call me, have yourselves a beautiful, beautiful day today. And in light of everything, give thanks. Give thanks for life. Give thanks for love. Give thanks for peace. Give thanks for joy. Give thanks for happiness. It is within your thanks that your blessings are. It's with you getting up in the mornings and being grateful, not only in the mornings, but for every single thing that happens in your life during the day or within the night. Give thanks because it's with your gratitude that you will receive. Give thanks because it's with you being thankful that you will achieve. Give thanks because with gratitude, all things are possible. All and everything is possible for you. So keep giving thanks. Keep showing love. Keep being happy, smiling when you can. Now, gratitude is a must. We all know that. Ensure that you are giving thanks for everything in your life, no matter how big, no matter how small it is. Just keep giving thanks. Have a wonderful day.
Clean, them that love me. I'm at don't, Paula, don't, Paula. Allow me to tell Paula, yeah. When we used to work, Paula, don't you remember when we used to, yeah, yeah. And we used to sweep and them used to invite me all about the place. Yeah. When don't call my phone for Saloni. When don't call my phone for her. Me a Saloni keeper. Me a Saloni keep. When don't call my phone for Saloni. Saloni is our own big man. When don't call my phone. Don't call my phone for Saloni. Saloni is our own, and Saloni of our family. We can take care of her. Me look like Saloni keeper too, no? Me look like Saloni of our own family. When I don't call, when I don't send nothing on my phone about Saloni, nothing. I don't want to say nothing, no, nothing I want to say about Saloni. When Saloni ready, Saloni go check herself in the hospital, and I don't send me nothing on my phone about her. I that me say. Okay? Let me stay foreign and enjoy my time up here. I'm going to lay down and relax. I go to my foot. When I don't send me nothing on my phone about Saloni. Let me enjoy my time in America. You know how long me want to come on foreign? A long time me want to come on foreign. Let me enjoy the time with my kids then. Saloni is our own big man. But make sure so to follow the YouTube channel. Yes, we're gonna build a whole YouTube channel of Alberta. Cause remember, I know we're gonna eat tomorrow. We're gonna eat tomorrow. Yes, we're gonna eat. We're gonna cook with 8 eggs tomorrow. And we're gonna sit down and we're gonna have our large salad tomorrow. We're gonna eat tomorrow. We're gonna exercise. We're gonna exercise. Yes, we're gonna exercise. We are going to exercise. So stay tuned. So make sure to subscribe to the channel link. We're gonna exercise. I remember baking season are come. So we're gonna have every cake. We're gonna have we're gonna have every cake. Hmm? We're gonna have every cake. We're gonna have chicken back cake. We're gonna have mixy cake. We're gonna have don't mixy cake. We're gonna have yes mixy cake. We're gonna have red and black cake. We're gonna have purple cake. We're gonna have yellow cake. We're gonna have every cake. So we're gonna bake too. All of that we're gonna do. We're gonna bake and everything too. We're gonna show you how we bake. Yeah, we're gonna show you how we bake. We're gonna have an episode of how to bake cakes. So make sure to follow the YouTube channel, because if you want to know how to make Christmas cakes, I'm gonna show you on my birthday channel how we bake Christmas cakes. I'm gonna show you. Subscribe to the YouTube. I'm gonna show you how we bake Christmas cakes. Like how the season is coming. What? I'm smart. I'm gonna show you something smart. I'm a smart girl. Nobody not smart like me. Me smart. I'm the only one turn out good. Out of the whole of Lulu picking them, me are the only one. The rest of them head no good. So we're gonna bake tomorrow. We're gonna exercise and we're gonna cook. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. Alright? And on subscribe so that you can get the notification them as soon as the baking video drop. Because the baking season are coming up. Baking season coming, so we're gonna bake tomorrow. Oh yes, we're gonna bake tomorrow. Tomorrow's at Monday. We're gonna bake tomorrow. We're gonna bake tomorrow. We're gonna keep prayer service. We're gonna have church the whole 9 yards. Yes. Mm-hmm. We're gonna have everything tomorrow. Well, not tomorrow, but tomorrow is the baking day. Mm-hmm. We're coming tomorrow with baking. So if you want to know how to bake sorrel cake, stay tuned tomorrow for my sorrel cake recipe. Yeah, the same sorrel cake recipe where them come at Jamaica come taste. But stay tuned. We're gonna bake it tomorrow. I'm gonna show you that nobody that master baker there in New York, she not bad like me. We're gonna bake it tomorrow. We're gonna bake sorrel cake tomorrow. So stay tuned. Okay, make sure to subscribe to the channel, the YouTube channel, and as me done with the recipe, me gonna upload it tomorrow. So make sure so now follow it here. I want you to like, share, and subscribe right on YouTube. Because we're gonna bake sorrel cake tomorrow and pudding. Are you ready for this? Are you ready for the baking tomorrow? Oh, I put it ready, you know. And you better like, share, and subscribe. Oh, I put it. Are you ready for this tomorrow? Are you ready? Voila! Tomorrow is bake day, Jenny D. Make sure say you like and subscribe on the YouTube channel, because I'm gonna put a little clip of it here on my Facebook. But the old video, you're gonna have to follow me YouTube to see the old video, and the link is there for the YouTube. You think me easy? You think me easy? You think me easy? Watch. Make sure to subscribe. Tomorrow we're going to bake. We're gonna bake tomorrow. We're gonna bake sorrel cake tomorrow. Don't Paula. Don't Paula. You see what I'm bake a sorrel cake, Paula? You didn't like it, don't Paula? Yeah, man, I forgot to have somebody else over there so for answer to me when I talk to Paula. Cause right now, Paula imaginary. Ain't no Paula there, but I'm gonna have to get somebody to respond to me when I say no Paula. And Paula said, mm-hmm. Cause Paula always I say, mm-hmm. So I forgot to get somebody to say, mm-hmm. You understand? Yeah. You see them I leave the comment. This is so sad. You see them I leave the comment under the exercise video. It's so sad, right? It's so sad that I'm putting up that exercise video.